Hello there, it's Christian at Grantham's in Retford. So today I'm going to be showing you a 2023 Knuas Sudwind 500 UF. So the 500 UF layout, it's got a rear French bed with an integrated washroom to the side of that and a nice wraparound seating area to the front. So it is a 4-berth. Now at the front of the caravan here, you'll notice that there's a long A-frame on there. Great if you need to pop a bike rack on and also for stability. But you've got your jockey wheel there with a load indicator, your 13-pin towing socket there, a handbrake and Alco stabilizer. Nice large gas locker there at the front, and that does lift upwards, which is great. Doesn't lift outwards, and you can fit a couple of gas bottles in there, and there's a bit of storage space. Window just up above, and then like all modern caravans these days, you've got a large sunroof up above that. Now we'll come round to the offside of the caravan. So this one is painted with the grey sides and the black awning rails, which gives it a really stunning look. So it's the 60-year anniversary Knuas Sudwind, so lots of extras on here. So round this side here, we've got the vent for your Truma heating. Kitchen windows just there. Diamond cut alloy wheels and the vents for the fridge. Got a window there for the bedroom space. You've got a service door just here, so that'll be where you'll pop all your mains electric into, and it'll also give you access to the onboard water tank. And then you've got a storage locker just here to take you directly under the fixed bed. So round to the back, got your Knuas Cat's Eye Evolution lights. And then over to the other side, the inlet there for the Dometic cassette. There's no separate flush on that one. Reason being, the water's taken from the onboard water tank. Frosted window there for the bathroom. Nice decals on the side there, giving it a really nice look. And then you've got an external TV socket just here, which will give you power into your awning. LED awning light there above the one-piece secure door. And then another window there for the living room. And that will bring us back round to the front. So we're going to take a look at the inside now. So this is the wraparound seating here. It's got a really nice grey fabric on there and integrated seat cushions with the bases, so you've got really easy access there to all the storage spaces. All the top lockers have got a geometric design on them. They are curved as well. Really strong hinges on them. When you come inside this caravan, you get a really good feeling of build quality. So we'll take a good look round. There is a Bluetooth speaker system on this one, so there's your speakers, and then we've got some sort of bendy spotlights here as well with an integrated USB port, and that is on both sides. So that table does drop down, and there is an extra cushion that goes on top of the table to create a double bed there. There's your large skylight and hecky roof light up above with 4 spots around that. You can see you've got some sort of strips that run down this side panel here, and that's because they light up beautifully, and the caravan looks absolutely stunning when it's all lit up. So here's the Knuas Premium door. Couple of handy sort of coat hangers on here. Little shopping bag down there, or normally mistaken for a bin, but use it as you wish. And then there is a umbrella holder just there. There is a fly screen on the door as well. And then as you walk into the left of that, you've got some more storage space. Place there for the TV. There's the TV bracket. It's on an arm, so essentially you can watch it from the living space or also turn it around and view it in the bedroom area. All pre-wired for a TV aerial. As you can see, you've got all the wiring here, and then you've got your main socket just there. So opposite the door, as you come in, you've got your kitchen. So it's got the fitted oven grill, some storage above and below that, and then some storage to the right of that. Really nice stainless steel, really deep sink actually. Knuas branded mixer tap, and then you've got your 3 gas burners on here as well. Good bit of worktop space. Kitchen splashback, couple of plug sockets just here. LED light just here, and that really does light up super bright. And then all of the blinds as well. So you've got the integrated fly screen and blackout blinds. And that's on all of the windows. Bar the sunroof, which has just got the blackout blind, because the sunroof, that one there, that doesn't open up. But obviously all the other ones do. Now, one really good feature of the Knuas is the tall fridge. So it is a really big fridge. We'll open that up so you can take a look. Separate freezer compartment just up here. Get plenty of ice creams in there. And then a bit more storage just below that as well. So you've got to see these vents around the caravan. It's a hot air heating system. So essentially the hot air will circulate around the caravan, heating up all areas. So opposite the fridge, you've got a large wardrobe. And there is a little light up there as well, so you can see inside. And a bit more storage there down below. Now there is a partition just here. So I'll pull that over so you can see what it looks like. So there's a bit of privacy for the bedroom area. Pull that right over there. And as you can see, I'll take a few steps back. And it completely sort of blocks that area off. Which then easily stores back there. So here's the French bed. Memory foam mattress. Really, really comfortable. Nice headboard there at the back as well. Some beautiful finishing touches in the Sudwind. Plenty of storage. Some more of those USB spotlights. Light switches there for the bedroom area. And then we'll take a quick look under the bed so you can see the storage. So all the Knuas caravans come with a battery as standard. There's your onboard water tank, and that's the cushion that will sit on the table at the front to create a double bed. So we've got a little vanity unit just here with a nice waterfall tap. Again, just these little touches really do make this caravan outstanding. Some storage underneath and some shelving. Then there's a mirror up above which does open up, and you're going to see me again. Switches and shelving, and then some towel hooks. A couple of LEDs up above. So we're going to the integrated bathroom. As it's at the rear of the caravan, there's lots of space actually. So shower there, Thetford toilet just there. Some shelves. Now there's a shower curtain. One thing to say about shower curtains, normally too much to say about them, but it's got an integrated air chamber there. So essentially when you've got the shower curtain around you, that stops the shower curtain from sticking to you, which is never a nice feeling. And there's your shower head at the top. And there is also, good little note, a handy rail here as well. So you know what the weather's like here in the UK. You got some wet coats, jackets, things like that. You can hang them up over the shower tray. Stop anywhere else in the caravan from getting wet. Another little thing as well, you'll never sort of damage this area here when you're closing the door. Reason being, that catches in. It's on a magnet. So when you open it, it sort of magnetises back in. Well, there we have it. That's the 2023 Sudwind 500 UF. Any questions at all, please get in touch. You can come and view the caravan at Grantham's, Retford. So we're open Monday to Saturday, 9 till 5, and then on Sunday, 10 till 4. You pop me an email. It's christian.pearson@granthamcaravans.co.uk, or give me a call, 01777 838 193. But thank you very much for watching.